Star Legend.
Grinders, they're always hustling, trying to get the money and the income coming in. Helping other people is what they do. They're focused on the mission and always stay true to their morals, values and beliefs. Helping other people, maintaining peace. This is what helps the streets to the people that are poor, who have no food to eat. The grind is really intensive. Helping other people is expensive. To the grinders that do it every day, they wanna help people and they pray for lives to really change with the help they provide every day. The grinders ask the Lord to make the way to help other people in the world today. The grinders, the hustlers, helping other people. 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 Hustling is the real mentality to help the poor who do not have the money. The grinders always hustle for the cash to feed the people, really give back. Helping other people is the motto in life. Do more for others to better your life. The hustlers are getting major paper, giving it to the poor, doing a favor. This is why we have to grind. This is why we have to hustle. Help other people who are living in poverty, helping the poor, feeding families. This is our ambition. This is our motivation. Helping other people and giving back. Helping other people and giving back. Grinders, the hustlers, helping other people. The grinders, the hustlers, helping other people. The grinders, the hustlers, helping other people. The grinders, the hustlers, helping other people.
Star Legend.